It is perfectly up to you, but this can save you a world of hurt in doing derivatives. And that's taking something that, a blob, and being able to break it down into something which is simple. Because if I were to look at taking the derivative of this guy, the blob is a product. So it'd be 1 over the blob, and then the derivative of the blob is product rule. However, if I break it apart using properties of logarithms, that product turns into a sum. Now this is just a simple problem. Product rule is not going to be involved. Same thing here. 1 over the blob times the derivative. Well, the derivative of the blob is quotient rule. However, if I use the properties of logarithms, it says that the log of a quotient is a difference. It makes your life a heck of a lot easier. But you can still do it the hard way. And where that saves you time is if you have to simplify the sucker. Right? If you just take it to the first step, who cares? But if you have to take the derivative, set it equal to 0, you want to simplify your world as much as possible. Power, again, the blob is complicated. However, I can bring the log base A of m to the r is r log base A of m. Again, it's a constant then times just the derivative of something that's just fairly simple. So here we go. This is just practice and properties of logarithms. Natural log of a is divided by b squared. It's a quotient. This is natural log of a minus natural log of the numerator, subtract the natural log of the denominator, which is the natural log of a minus what? 2 natural log of b. Now these would be fairly simple as compared to this, which is quotient rule. This is where what saves you quite a bit, is this guy. Because when you think about it, this set of parentheses, that square root is what power? 1/2. And as it stands now, it's product rule coupled with this stinking 1/2 times the blob times the negative 1/2,
So
which is product rule. However, this is the natural log of x plus, because it's a product of two things, the natural log of 1 plus x squared to the 1/2 power, which is the natural log of x plus, bring the 1/2 down in front, natural log of 1 plus x squared. That makes life nice. Now instead of having product rule coupled with chain rule, now you have 1 over x, right, plus 1/2 times 1 over the blob, which is 1 over 1 plus x squared, times the derivative of the blob, which is just 2x. Makes life simple. Derivatives are a heck of a lot simpler. And then here's this guy. Well, natural log of the numerator minus the natural log of the denominator. This is a product, and a product turns into a sum. Bring the exponents down. And we know the natural log of e is 1. Whoops. And that makes life simpler.